Right, move on to question 2. Question 2 says locate the text under the heading introduction and then there's 3 different questions that follow. First thing you should do here is actually just go and locate that text. That's what we're going to be working on. So let's have a look, see what we've got here. Okay, there's the heading introduction and there's the paragraph underneath it. So before I've even read what we're going to do, I've gone and highlighted the actual text. Now I don't have to worry about whether I've got the right text or not. Okay, let's go back to the question and have a look at what they want. Change the text to sentence case and justify the text. So there are 2 things we have to do here. First thing is change this text to sentence case and then justify the text. That's for 2.1. What do they mean by sentence case? Well, sentence case means the normal way we would type with capital letters at the beginning of the sentence and lowercase for the rest of the sentence. Now, we don't have to go and type that all again, do we? No, we don't. So let's go and have a look at, there's an option up here on the font tab over here. And if we rest our cursor over there, we get the tooltip that says change case. And let's look at the options that it gives us. It gives us a whole lot of options. In fact, we can convert to lowercase. We can put it in uppercase, which it's already in. We can capitalize each word. We can toggle the case. In other words, it'll flip it from if it was capital letters, it will go down to lowercase and vice versa. But we want to change it to sentence case so we don't have to retype all the text. So let's select sentence case and there we go. It appears as if we would have typed it normally with the capital letters at the beginning of the sentence. They also asked us to justify the text. That relates to alignment. So let's go and look at the alignment options that we actually have. Right, under paragraph here we can left align, we know about that. We can center text, we can right align text, and there's an option called justify here. And you can see the tooltip actually tells you what it does. It says it aligns the text to both the left and the right margins, adding extra spaces between the words as needed. It's to give it a sort of clean look down the left and right hand side of the page, so you don't get sort of a ragged look when the text appears. So let's click on it and see what it does. Okay, not a great deal of change here because we've got this text block over here. I'm just going to move it up so you can see the effect of it. And there you can see it's lined up on the left hand side and it's lined up on the right hand side. I'm just going to move the text box back over there. And that's it for 2.1. Let's go and look at 2.2. Add an outline effect to the text. So it's that same text we're talking about, but an outline effect. Right, so we go back, we select in fact the exact same text again, and an outline effect. Now if you right click and you don't come up with the option straight away, then you probably need to go and look elsewhere, although we do see there is a font option here. So let's go and have a look and see if we can find anything there. Well, the other different font styles, etc., that's not what we're looking for. We're not looking to change the color. We're looking for effect, and there's an outline effect. It's a checkbox, so we can tick it. If we need to have more than one effect, we can tick any other one as well. Can get a bit messy, as you can see, but we only wanted outline in this case, so we'll just say OK to that. Okay, as you say, not the greatest effect always to go and choose all those different effects. It can become quite difficult to read. Then the third one, 2.3, says show the hidden characters and then locate and delete the tab character. Okay, what do they mean by hidden characters? Let's go and put it on and we'll see what we mean. Up here is the show hide, as it's known as. And when you click on it, you'll see these sort of almost like little fly specks all over the screen suddenly. And that indicates where you've pressed the enter key. This indicates where you've pressed the tab key, and you can see in between the words are tiny little dots which indicate where you've actually pressed the space bar. So we don't normally show this except when we want to check our editing to see that we've edited or formatted a document correctly. Okay, they want us to remove the tab character. You can see I'm going to press the tab key there. You can see another tab character again. So the arrow clearly indicates the tab key, and they want us to remove it. I would suggest straight away that you go and unclick the show hide so we can get back and just see our text without all those hidden characters. And they can be quite useful sometimes when you're trying to check whether you've pressed enter or pressed the tab key or anything like that. And that's it for 2.3.